it's Dale from Elephant Memories, and I have another special guest for you today. This is Agent Sharktooth.
Hi.
I do a kids club here at the studio once a month, and we do the Kids of Navigation. They're Agents of Con. And Sharktooth here is actually going to demonstrate one of the crafts that she's been working on. We cut out some peppers for Craic Sauce?
Yeah.
Craic Sauce,
so.
yeah. Who
Delicious
is
hot
also
sauce.
local.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can't do the hot stuff. You like the hot stuff. You just
Yeah.
don't like the ghost peppers. Ugh.
No.
Yeah, me neither. So this is what we cut out, and we just let the kids pick whatever they want. And you were working with Oil Pastels, and she's done these while she was sitting on the couch out in the hall, and I thought that they were pretty amazing, and wanted to see if she wanted to demonstrate for you guys how she made these super awesome Craic Sauce peppers.
So the first thing I do is choose the colors I'm going to use. The ones I use for this one, which is in my opinion, is the best one, I chose this purpley brown. I don't know the specific color, and then I chose this yellow, and then I think it was this blue. No, it was this blue. I used these three colors. So, the next thing I do is I use the yellow for the base color. So I just do the entire, all the way up to here in yellow. And then just gonna color that in real quick. Let me clean it up a little bit. And then the next thing I did was put the blue for the stem. And then I kind of like, rub it in with the yellow to make it look like it, oh, that's okay. To make it look like it's like the stem is going into the pepper. Need more yellow over here. And rub that in. That's okay. I got it a little too far down, but that's okay because we're going over the edges with purple. So I shade in the edges with purple like this. I kind of go hard to make it to make sure that like it gets a lot of color, and it looks like this before I shade it in. And then you want to really get in there with your finger and shade kind of hard, so that way there's no hard spots anymore. I have a little bit of down here. I need to shade in a little bit more because there's like too much in like a chunk. So it's easy to scratch off, but if you spread it around, it's harder to. And there's pulling it up over here to because that I didn't want. My fingers are yellow, and then I spread all you have to do is like push a part of the spots you don't like, and then just redraw them. I like to go really lightly in the middle to make it like an orangey color, and then do it hard again.
Okay, so Agent Sharktooth here made some super awesome pepper ornaments using oil pastels and some wooden cutouts, and I think she did a fantastic job. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, what are we working on tonight?
We're working on our fairy houses.
Working on fairy houses, so we really like doing fairy houses here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and we had a lot of fun making this, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.